Let's see Woo Grid Gallery widgets for single product page tutorial. In Grid Gallery, we have left to right and right to left listing options. In Grid we have two types, first one is Grid and second one is Mezzaneri. Also, you can manage columns and its gap in responsive device. In Image Styling tab, you can manage padding. Also, you can manage border, shadow and its transition for normal and In Loop Styling tab, you can manage padding. Also, you can manage background, border, shadow and its transition for normal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.